They worked on the area before tearing the Xinyi Tower down. The giant pit caught the building and contained much of the dust and debris. Still, that didn't stop the cloud from spreading into the streets. People were forced to cover their mouths as they walked through the area. You can even see where the dust settled on the sidewalk. Those footprints and bike tracks wouldn't be there under normal circumstances. The new project was meant to expand the Chongqing city center. They plan on rebuilding the Xinyi Tower. This time, it'll be 5 times larger than the original. The new center will also become a traffic hub, improving the efficiency of public transport.